Here is a very easy and delicious 10-spoon chocolate milk cake recipe. For that you need 10 tablespoons of milk, 10 tablespoons of oil, 10 tablespoons of sugar, 3 eggs, a teaspoon of vanilla and a pinch of salt. Blend this in a blender until everything is combined. Through a sifter, add 10 tablespoons of flour, 10 teaspoons of cocoa powder, and a tablespoon of baking powder. Sift it well. Pour the wet mixture into the dry mixture. Mix it gently until everything is combined. Line an 8 by 8 inch pan with a baking paper and grease it well. Pour the batter into it. Bake in a 180°C preheated oven for 30 to 40 minutes until the toothpick inserted comes out clean. To make the Oreo cream, add 4 Oreo biscuits and powder it. Add 1 sachet of Dream Whip powder, (250 ml of thick cream, and 1/4 cup of milk. Blend it until everything is combined and the cream becomes thick. Once you take the cake out of the oven, poke holes all over the cake and pour about 1/4 cup of chocolate milk. I refrigerated the cream, the Oreo cream which I prepared, for about 1 hour so that the cream got thick. Then I added the cream over the cake and spread it well into a nice even layer. To make the milk chocolate ganache, I've added 145 grams of milk chocolate and added half cup of heavy whipping cream and 3 tablespoons of unsalted butter. I then microwaved it in 20-second burst for about 3 times, stirring in between until the chocolate is completely melted. Pour the ganache over the pudding. Spread the chocolate all over the pudding. Then refrigerate it for about 4 hours or better overnight. Delicious and very moist chocolate milk cake is ready.